What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, there is a key witness that spoke at the Jocelyn Smith trial. So, this key witness, you know what I'm saying, he actually entered the house at a very critical time and observed very, very important things. And there are so many things that he observed, and this witness actually confirmed seeing multiple people at the time of his entry at Kelly's house. On top of that, the witness actually remembers a statement that was made by Kelly when she was telling Jocelyn that I'm not going to pack your stuff in a bag. So when Jocelyn was told that, she then responded back and said, like, where are we going? What's the destination here? Unfortunately, now the witness does not remember much about how the conversation later went on. But what this tells us is that Jocelyn did not know about the destination of where they were going to. And at the same time, what we can also see here is that Kelly was hiding or concealing something, and I didn't want it to be revealed to Jocelyn herself. So you might be like seated over there wondering, like, okay, what's the impact of this statement by this witness? There's an issue of credibility and reliability here. This witness testimony is very significant in evaluating Kelly's involvement and her intentions by confirming certain key moments about Kelly picking Jocelyn's bag. You know, it actually provides evidence that support the claims about Kelly's role in this event of Jocelyn Smith. So this could actually like potentially create complications for Kelly herself, especially if the witness account is consistent and truthful. This could actually imply that Kelly had more control and influence over Jocelyn that might have been previously acknowledged before. So this is what is happening at the Jocelyn Smith trial. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.